Hey there, Wanderlust Warriors! Are you yearning for a solo adventure that's off the beaten path? Then look no further than the enchanting land of Myanmar. With its golden pagodas, vibrant culture, and friendly people, Myanmar is a haven for independent travelers seeking an unforgettable experience. But navigating a new country alone can feel daunting. Fear not. This video is your ultimate guide to conquering Myanmar as a solo traveler. First things first, let's talk about visas. Luckily, the process is easier than you might think. Many countries are eligible for e-visas, which you can easily obtain online. Once your visa is secured, it's time to plan your itinerary. From the bustling metropolis of Yangon to the serene beauty of Inal Lake, Myanmar offers diverse experiences for every kind of traveler. Consider your interests, whether it's exploring ancient ruins, trekking through stunning landscapes, or simply soaking up the local culture. Myanmar boasts a well-developed transportation network, making it easy to navigate the country. From budget-friendly buses to comfortable trains, and even scenic flights, you can choose the option that suits your budget and style. Staying connected is crucial for any solo traveler. Thankfully, Myanmar has readily available Wi-Fi in most accommodations and public spaces. Consider purchasing a local SIM card for affordable internet access throughout your journey. While Myanmar is generally a safe country, it's always wise to be cautious and aware of your surroundings. As a solo traveler, it's important to trust your instincts and avoid venturing into isolated areas alone. Remember, you're a guest in this beautiful country. Be respectful of local customs and traditions. Dress modestly when visiting temples, always remove your shoes before entering, and avoid speaking loudly or engaging in public displays of affection. Solo travel hacks and must-do activities. Now, let's talk about some solo travel hacks to make your journey smoother. Download offline maps and language apps to help with navigation and communication. Pack light and versatile clothing, considering the diverse climates you'll encounter. And speaking of diversity, Myanmar's experiences are as varied as its landscapes. Immerse yourself in the spiritual atmosphere of Shwedagon Pagoda, marvel at the ancient temples of Bagan, take a boat trip on the serene Inal Lake, or simply wander through the bustling markets of Yangon and embrace the local life. Don't hesitate to strike up conversations with locals. Their warm hospitality and genuine smiles will enrich your experience and offer unique insights into their culture. Solo travel is a journey of self-discovery. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and soak up every moment of your adventure. Remember, you are never truly alone. The kindness of strangers, the beauty of the landscapes, and the richness of the culture will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Share your solo journey with the world. Document your experiences through photos, videos, and stories. Your adventures may inspire others to embark on their own solo exploration of this captivating country. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready to fall in love with the magic of Myanmar. Remember, solo travel is not just about exploring a new place, it's about discovering yourself.
Hi, you want to learn incredible tips, comprehensive travel guide and ignite the travel spirit within you? Head over to Cashflow Academia to enroll in our courses and embark on a journey of knowledge and exploration. Don't just travel, travel smart. Enroll today and let's make your next adventure extraordinary. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.